So let me give you a house tour today. Starting with money plant, and then we have the plant of Tulsi ji, and then most roses in Portulaca. This is this porch region where we have some other plants too, starting with Dieffenbachia, two kinds of croton, and then Mexican petunia, and then we have Aglaonema. This is the green one. We have several varieties of Aglaonemas, and this is the pink Aglaonema, which we call Valentino 2. And then we have hibiscus, which is also known as Gudhal in Hindi. And then we have green Aglaonema, another variety, and then again Dieffenbachia.